Kia ora!
Malolele, it's Seal
And Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes,
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Now we have 3 clues right here that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Can you help us out with the clues? Awesome! Thank you.
Okay, let's start right at the top here. Clue tuatahi. Do you know what this is? Ai, ka pai, it is the number 9 or iwa i te reo Māori.
Clue tuarua, right here. What do you think it is? That's right! It's the night sky.
Ooh. Alright, now our final clue, clue tuatoru, is sitting here beside us. Do you know what this is? Aye, correct. It is a star. We have all 3 clues.
We do.
What do we have? We have the number 9, we have a night sky, and we have a whetū, a star.
Oh, I think I know the song that we're going to sing. It's our song, Ngā Whetū O Matariki.
Aye, it is. This is our song all about the beautiful season of Matariki, where you're going to learn all 9 stars in Matariki. So come along with us. We've got a friend that's going to help us teach you the actions.
So I'm going to count to toru. We'll click our fingers and go have a sing-along. Tahi, rua, toru.
Matariki, aue matariki. Titiro kirunga ake, kia matariki. Toru wha, tahi rua toru wha. Rima ono whitu aru, iwa e iwa ngā whetū o matariki e. Tahi rua toru wha. Rima ono whitu aru, iwa e iwa ngā whetū o matariki e. Tupu anuku, tupu anuku, tupu anuku, tupu arangi, tupu arangi. Waiti, waiti, waita, waita, waipunarangi, waipunarangi, ururangi, ururangi. Ohutukawa, ohutukawa, iwa i te rangi, iwa i te rangi. Matariki e. Tahi, rua, toru wha. Rima ono whitu aru, iwa e iwa ngā whetū o matariki e. E iwa ngā whetū o matariki e.
Yay! We hope you enjoyed learning all 9 stars of Matariki.
Which one was your favourite star?
Ooh,
Cool.
That's a good one. Alright, he wā Hokinga Mahara, it's time to remember the 9 stars of Matariki. Here's the first one. It starts with the sound T, Tu, Tupua Nuku.
Our next one also starts with the sound T, Tu, Tupuarangi.
Our next one starts with the sound W, Wa, Waiti.
Our next one starts with W again. Wa, Waita.
Now we have another star that starts with the sound W, Wa, Waipunarangi.
Our next one starts with the sound U, Uru, Ururangi.
The next star starts with the sound P, Po, Hutu-kawa.
Our next one starts with the sound Hi, Hiwa i te rangi.
And our last star starts with the sound M, Ma, Mata, Riki! Well done on learning all 9 stars of Matariki. You can sing that song as many times as you like so that you learn them really, really well. Alright, let's go sing our goodbye song together. Goodbye everybody, it's time to go. Goodbye everybody, we'll miss you so. Ka kite ano, we'll see you soon. Goodbye, hey koneira. Goodbye, hey koneira.
Hey! Kia ora there. Make sure that you like and subscribe down below so that you can watch the amazing videos that are Loopy Tunes with my mum and my auntie. Make sure that you watch it. Loopy Tunes. Loopy Tunes.